Maximum reliability, ease of use, and cost-effective implementation of non-destructive crash tests, thanks to MESSRING's HydroBrake. The unit and the pump provide the perfect conditions for precise simulation with a variety of speeds, pulses, and test objects. The brake wedge, which is flexibly mounted onto the sled, is decelerated by the upper and bottom brake shoes in the system as programmed. A precise, highly dynamic hydraulic brake pressure provides the programmed deceleration. The associated programming is carried out at the control station. As is, of course, the programming of the lights and the preparation of the data acquisition system. The data is recorded using the M-Bus system, with the data recorder positioned directly at the sensor, or using the M-Bus Pro, with the data transmitted from the sensor to the attached data recorder using a standard cable connection. A combination of both systems is common. The data recorder is conveniently accessed directly from the control station. Throughout the entire test, the sled and all of the sensors maintain contact with the control station via the trailing cable system developed specifically for the purpose. MESSRING's Servo-hydraulic brake system offers power, precision, and efficiency.